Shensia made this post on her Instagram a few days ago, and the caption reads, "I'm giving away 2,000 US dollars for my blessed challenge. Get y'all videos ready." Now today she made a second post explaining the rules and the regulations of the competition. I have that clip for you. Here goes.
Hey guys, so I'm doing this video to inform you that the Blessed Challenge will be starting right now. You can do anything you wish as long as your video is completely creative, like really creative. You can either do a dance video, you can do a freestyle on the instrumental, anything you guys want to do. And the kids can participate as well, as I am giving it a no limit when it comes down to age challenge. I'm giving away 2,000 US dollars. So when you do your videos, post it on your page and tag me, because that's the only way I'm gonna get to see it. Then I will be reposting the videos, and the person with the most likes on my page wins the challenge. So keep it blessed.
The competition will only be on Instagram. So if you have both a Facebook and Instagram account, well, you're good. If you don't have an Instagram account, I would suggest that you make one if you want to enter. The thing I like the most about what Shensia said is that the whole family could enter. So, you know, it's always cute when you have kids doing challenges. And just to emphasize, she said it could be anything. You could sing the song if you want. You could remake the song if you want. You could do a dance if you want. You could get the kids involved if you want. You could get grandma involved if you want. You could get grandpa involved if you want. So I'm just throwing out things here that you could use to your advantage. The only thing that Shensia did mention that I thought she should is when the competition would end. However, being that she did not disclose that, I would suggest that you get your video in as early as possible. And being that the person with the most likes win, the longer your video is there, the higher your chances are to get more likes than the other competitors. I can just only imagine receiving 2,000 US dollars right now. That would do wonders for me. And I'm sure that there's a lot of people out there that 2,000 US dollars will do great things for them also. I'm not saying it's a life-changing money in every instance, but you never know. Maybe that could be the start of somebody's rest of their life, or that could be a start of some kind of small business, or whatever the chances are. What I'm asking you to do is to please put in a comment and tell me if you were to receive $2,000. In other words, I'm asking, if you were to win this money, what would you do with it? Please tell me in the comment section. I would love to see what you guys have to say. So please like and share this video. Maybe you don't want to enter the competition, but you never know. Maybe there is somebody else that is in need of this $2,000 that's on your page that will see this video if you share it. And if you haven't liked and followed the page, please like and follow the page for daily updates. Thank you.